Hey, you guys. I'd like to share with you my course on learning Adobe Illustrator. Do you ever find yourself wishing that you had time to learn the program? Maybe you've started and stopped before, or there are some tools that really confuse you and give you a hard time and you don't know what to do with it. Well, I've designed a class, a short online class that you can take with me for 25 bucks, where I walk you through all the essentials of getting up and running with Adobe Illustrator. So, we've got 5 sections for this online course, this boot camp, where I take you from the very beginning, getting started. I take you through how to use objects and selections, how to do shape drawing, how to sculpt and recreate new, more complex shapes, how to use the pen and pencil tool. The pen tool, of course, is the troublesome spot for everybody. And then we finish up with type tools and bringing it all together with a basic logo design. So this is something that I've designed that can be done at your own pace. You can watch the videos as you go. I have exercise files and practice assignments that you can work on and get up and running pretty quickly. So I'd love to have you join my course. I'd love to hear from you and see how it goes. So check it out, follow the link below, and look forward to meeting you. See ya.